Hello?
Dad?
Oh, hi. Sweetie. Happy. Did you get that?
There's an ostrich in my flower garden.
Honey, it's not an ostrich. It's an emu. Emus are large flightless birds. They're related to... What?
I don't care what you call it. What the hell is it doing in my garden?
No, you like birds. So I got one for you. Had it shipped all the way from Antarctica, or wherever they come from. Happy birthday, honey.
My birthday's in August.
This isn't August? Now, don't worry about the cost. I mean, normally they cost thousands of dollars, or even millions, the salesman told me. But this one, what?
Tell me you didn't use the emergency fund we set up to pay your utilities?
No, I wouldn't do that.
Tell the truth, Dad.
Honestly.
I won't be mad. I promise.
I used the emergency fund.
Jesus, Daddy!
I'm sorry, darling. I know that I can be a little crazy. I do impulsive things, I know it's true. I saw the bird and everything got hazy. I knew you'd love it and I'm glad you do. I'm glad you do. I know you told me not to spend my money on things that I don't need, but sweetie pie, I saw the bird and thought of you. So honey, don't send it back, you'll make your father cry.
Dad?
Yes, darling?
Nothing. I'll call you later. Hey. Dad bought me an emu. Lucky you. Don't tell me. He bought me an elephant. He didn't. In the garden, it's a baby, just 2 tons instead of 20. I called the zoo to see if they could take it. We have to do something about him, Mary. I tried to talk to him. And he started singing. I hate it when he does that. You remember that woman I told you about? The fixer? She can make anyone normal, she told me. She charges $500 plus the cost of the medicine. But it'll be worth it. If it works. Zoom call? She only meets in person. Outdoors with social distancing. Works for me.
I'm Delphina. You called me, I'm here. At noon exactly, like I said I'd be. So, tell me what I can take care of for you. I'm waiting.
I'm Lucy Adams. This is Mary. We really appreciate.
Time is money, Miss Adams. The clock is ticking, and I have another appointment in 30...
It's our father. He's a little loopy. I mean, we love him, but...
Love. What foolishness. Okay, define loopy? Succinctly, please.
He buys us things like elephants and emus. One time, he bought me an astronaut costume and a BB gun. You were 6. I wanted a Barbie doll.
Dolls, emus, elephants. He sounds quite irrational.
He sings. I've asked him not to. You have? Every time he does it, he never listens.
Okay, that's because he's not being logical. Singing takes 10 units of caloric energy per syllable. It accomplishes nothing. Here, give these to him. Have him take them at midnight. Exactly. He'll be cured. I promise.
You're sure they'll work?
I'm quite certain. I tested them on myself 2 months ago.
On yourself?
I was foolish before I took the pills. I used to write poems. I drew and painted. Ugh. I even sang, like your father. But that all ended once I took the pills. These days I only do what's sensible. I wake up at 6 and go to bed at 10 precisely. I am efficient and well organized at all times. Your father will be too.
We'll pay you for your time, but you can keep the bottle. We'll pass.
Hello, sweetheart. Today's Tuesday, right? Or is it Wednesday? I forgot my phone.
You're doing great. It's good to see you, Daddy.
I'm sorry about the emu. It was silly, wasn't it? It was Daddy being Daddy again.
It was definitely silly. Just keep the gifts under $5 in the future, okay?
I promise. So, listen, honey. Your sister told me she doesn't like my singing. I see her point. I've turned over a new leaf. I'm a new daddy. I promise not to.
Just a sec, Daddy. That's Lucy now. We both wanted to tell you this. We love you, Daddy. You're such a nutball, but you're our nutball, both hers and mine. So keep on singing and ding-a-linging. We know you're loopy